Welcome back! Today let's talk about minimalism. As someone who doesn't fully embrace the minimalism lifestyle, I found that incorporating a few minimalist rules into my life has made a couple of things way easier for me. So in this video I'm going to share with you a couple of minimalism rules that I find incredibly helpful. And first up, let's talk about quality over quantity. One of the core rules of minimalism is owning fewer possessions, but that doesn't mean sacrificing quality. So instead of just buying cheap products to save a couple of bucks, I've adopted the mindset of investing in fewer high quality pieces that I truly need and that I can use for a long period of time. So at the end of the day I can easily avoid the situation that I have to constantly replace cheap products that wear out quickly. Exactly, that's why I always try to choose fewer high quality pieces that are built to last. And yes, this not only reduces waste, but it also eliminates the need to spend my hard-earned money on unnecessary replacements in the long run. And one strategy that I've found particularly effective in avoiding impulse purchases is implementing the 24-hour or 30-day rule. Basically this means waiting a set period of time before making a purchase to ensure that the product is something that I truly need and that will add value to my life. And yes, it's amazing how many impulse buys can be avoided simply by giving myself time to consider the purchase more carefully. Another great tip here in combination is to track your spendings. So try to use apps or a detailed spreadsheet to create a clear list of your spendings each month. At the end of the day, this can be a great eye-opener where your hard-earned money is truly going. There's also a dedicated video about this topic here on my channel, so if you're interested in learning more about how I avoid impulse purchases and prioritize quality over quantity, be sure to check out that video. Next, let's talk about declutter your office. Now, this one might seem obvious, but it's something that even non-minimalists can benefit from. At the end of the day, regular decluttering sessions are perfect to actually decide what you need for your everyday life and what just adds clutter. So decluttering your office isn't just about tidying up physical space, it's also about creating mental clarity and improving productivity. For example, when your workspace is cluttered, it can feel chaotic and overwhelming, making it difficult to be productive. And exactly that's why I've made it a habit to set aside time every few months to check what I own and let go of anything that no longer serves a purpose. Especially for my work, that's super important because there are always so many gadgets around me, and sometimes I notice that I don't use something that often anymore. So in this case it's always a great choice to sell these items and to declutter the office. On top, I also started to remove all kind of unnecessary items from my desk to avoid any distractions. So whether you're a minimalist or not, incorporating decluttering sessions into your routine can have a great impact on both your physical space and your productivity. Next up, let's talk about the digital detox. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become overwhelmed by the constant stream of information and notifications. And that's why I've adopted the practice of regularly disconnecting from all kind of devices and taking time to focus on the present moment. One way I do this is by using designated detox periods where I intentionally limit my screen time. And in this case I focus on other activities, whether it's spending time outdoors or simply enjoying a cup of coffee. And yes, these small breaks from technology help me to maintain a healthy balance in my life. Additionally, I've implemented strategies to minimize clutter on my computer as well by decluttering my files. This includes unsubscribing from email lists, organizing files and folders, and deleting unused apps. And yes, my NAS is actually one of the best additions here because now I can easily store and sort everything on one dedicated device. I will actually upgrade my NAS soon to add some more hard drives, but I can highly recommend them if you need an easy all-in-one solution for your data. But yeah, by embracing these small breaks, I've found that I'm able to reduce stress and improve my overall productivity. At the end of the day, it's a simple yet powerful way to reclaim control over my online habits and to prioritize what truly matters. But yeah, these are some of my favorite minimalist tips that I use all the time. At the end of the day, it's all about finding balance and prioritizing what truly matters. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.